My name is Nakia, and I'm a Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. So this is week 30 of the Declutter Challenge. And this week we are going to declutter our kitchen appliances. Yes, this is a very important week, and I know some of our kitchen appliances, we hold them near and dear to our hearts, but this is the time to go ahead, you have my permission, and let's declutter them. The first thing we're going to do is take out everything, all of our appliances, and put them on the counters. We need to see exactly what we have. Now, you may have multiple crock pots, multiple rice cookers, things like that. Well, ask yourself, are you utilizing all of these things? Can one item take the place of two? This is what we need to do. We need to decide which items we can actually part with that we're no longer using or even using fully. If you have an item that you only use once a year, do you really need to have it or keep it holding hostage? Just think about someone else that can probably use that item daily or even weekly, and you're just holding it prisoner from that person. So now, since we've actually discovered which items they're going to keep, we also need to go back and look and see if anything is not properly working. I know sometimes we may have something that's missing a button or missing some type of plug, or maybe one of the settings don't work. Well, you have my permission to go ahead and get rid of that item. You can either donate it, properly dispose of it, recycle, whatever you need to do. But we are only keeping things in our homes that are working fully because we're trying to have a decluttered home. So now since we've decided what we're going to keep, what we're going to throw away, what we're going to donate and or sell, let's go ahead and put the items back. Now, a few weeks ago, we did make a note of the items that we want to keep on our kitchen cabinet countertops. So these are things that we're using, daily, like our coffee machine. But if you're not using something like your can opener daily, let's go ahead and properly put that up. So let's go ahead and find homes for all these things that we're going to keep. Well, that concludes the week 30 weekly declutter challenge. I hope you are enjoying this challenge. If you haven't joined the challenge, what are you waiting on? All you have to do is make a conscious effort to want to live in a decluttered home and have a decluttered life. Each week, you're given an assignment or a task of one thing you need to declutter. So this is week 30. You don't have to go all the way back to week 1. You can just start whenever you can. And follow us on Instagram, where I also announce the week's challenge, and feel free to join the email list because I send an email reminder. If you are on Facebook, don't forget to join the private Facebook community. In the private Facebook community, I have tips and suggestions, and we have fun there. We post pictures, and it's very interactive. So you have that as well. In addition to the weekly YouTube videos and blog posts, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life at Home. During the course of 5 days, you will receive an email from me with tips and suggestions on how to maintain a company-ready home at all times. And I also have my planner, the 2025 Divine Life and Home Planner. So information about the planner and the course will be in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and have a divine day. Goodbye.